Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to know all passwords saved in your Google account. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and press on privacy. Scroll down. Here you can see autofill service from Google. Press on this. Now click on Google Password Manager. From here, you can able to know all passwords saved in your Google account. That's it. So this is how to know all passwords saved in your Google account on your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.